So in this video, I would like to discuss about the scientist who contributed to electrical engineering. So I would like to discuss about the scientists who contributed to electrical engineering. So the most famous electrical scientists of all time. So the scientists who contributed to electrical engineering. So first, Isaac Newton. So who lived in between 1642 to 1727. So we are using the unit force. So force unit is newtons. So for force unit is Newton. So second one is Charles Augustine de Coulomb. So he who lived in between 1736 to 1806. Coulomb, we are using the unit Coulomb for charge. So we are using the unit Coulomb for capacitance. Coulomb is the unit for charge or capacitance. Next is James Watt, who lived in between 1736 to 1819. So we are using unit watt to power. So unit of power is watt. Next is Alessandro Volta, who lived in between 1745 to 1827. 1745 to 1827. So we are using the unit volts for voltage. Voltage unit is volts. So on the name of Alessandro Volta. Next is Pierre Simon Laplace, who lived in between 1749 to 1827. We are using Laplace transformations to convert a time domain system to S domain system for making the analysis simple. For making mathematical analysis simple, we are converting time domain analysis to time domain mathematical expressions to S domain mathematical expressions. So, Laplace introduced that S. So Pierre Simon Laplace, who introduced Laplace transformations. Next is Andre Marie Ampere, who lived in between 1775 to 1836. So we are using ampere as a unit for current. So unit of current is amperes. Next is Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss, who lived in between 1777 to 1853. So in field theory, we have Gauss law. So Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss proposed the concept of Gauss law. Carl Maria von Weber, who lived in between 1876 to 1786 to 1826. Carl Maria von Weber, 1786 to 1826. Unit for flux in magnetic flux, unit is Webers. Next is George Simon Ohm, who lived in between 1789 to 1854. We are using unit ohm for resistors or impedance. Unit of resistance is ohms. Unit of impedance is ohms. Voltage to current ratio is impedance. So unit in general, unit of unit of impedance is ohm. Next is Michael Faraday, who lived in between 1791 to 1867. In electrical engineering, we are using Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So Faraday's first law and Faraday's second law. So Faraday's first law is if there is a relative motion between flux and conductor, so current is induced. So if the voltage is induced across the conductor, if there is a relative motion between magnetic flux and conductor, there is a voltage induced across the conductor. So which is Faraday's first law, and second law says about the magnitude of the voltage induced in that conductor. So Michael Faraday is called the father of electricity. The father of electricity is Michael Faraday. We are discussing scientists who contributed to electrical engineering. Next is Joseph Henry, who lived in between 1797 to 1878. So we are using the unit Henry for inductance. Inductance unit is Henry. James Prescott Joule. Next is James Prescott Joule, who lived between 1818 to 1889. Joule. We are using unit Joule for energy or heat. So Joule is the unit for heat or energy. Next is Gustav Robert Kirchhoff, who lived in between 1824 to 1887. So we are using Kirchhoff's laws in electrical circuits, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. So the algebraic sum of currents at any node is zero, that is KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. And Kirchhoff's voltage law is the algebraic sum of voltages in any loop is zero. So that two laws was given by Gustav Robert Kirchhoff. James Clerk Maxwell, who lived in between 1831 to 1879. So we are using Maxwell's equation in electromagnetic field theory. Next is Alfred Nobel, who lived in between 1833 to 1896. Nobel, who invented dynamite. Next is Thomas Alva Edison, who lived in between 1847 to 1931. So Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb. Next is Nikola Tesla, who lived in between 1856 to 1943. So we are using Tesla as the unit for magnetic flux density. Flux per unit area is magnetic flux density. Unit for magnetic flux density is Tesla. So on the name of Nikola Tesla. So these are the 17 scientists who contributed a lot to electrical engineering of all time. Here, scientific revolution started from 15th century onwards. In electric field, in medicinal field, medical field, in astronomy, so in any field, scientific revolution started from 15th century onwards. So if you observe the scientists, so they are all belongs to last 500 years.